Maintaining a clean and hygienic home environment can often feel like a daunting task, especially with the myriad of surfaces and areas that need attention. This Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine by offering a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly solution. This detailed review will delve into its features, performance, and why it might just be the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. The Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop stands out with its sleek, modern design and robust build quality. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, it ensures longevity and resilience, making it a reliable cleaning companion. But what truly sets it apart is its multifunctionality. This isn't just a floor cleaner, it's a comprehensive home cleaning system. The Steam Mop can easily transform to tackle a variety of surfaces including tile, grout, curtains, couches, and even clothes. The detachable base and 360-degree steam tool attachments allow for effortless maneuverability, enabling you to clean hard-to-reach areas and ensure a deep, thorough clean. Whether you're dealing with stubborn grout lines in the bathroom or refreshing your living room upholstery, this Steam Mop has got you covered. One of the standout features of the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is its dual tank system. This innovative design includes separate tanks for water and detergent, allowing you to switch between steam cleaning and adding a cleaning solution for tougher messes. The boiling water setting enhances pressure, effectively blasting away dirt, grime, and stains from various surfaces. This dual tank functionality not only improves cleaning efficiency, but also provides versatility. You can opt for a chemical-free clean with just water or use your favorite detergent for extra cleaning power, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks around your home. Time is of the essence when it comes to household chores, and the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop understands that. It heats up rapidly, reaching its maximum temperature of 356 F180C quickly, so you can get started on your cleaning tasks without delay. The high temperature ensures effective sanitization, killing 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy living environment. Additionally, the Steam Mop features a generous 20-foot power cord, providing extended reach and making it easy to navigate across large rooms and hard-to-reach spaces. No more constantly switching outlets or struggling to clean corners, this Steam Mop offers the convenience and flexibility you need for efficient cleaning. Safety is a paramount consideration in the design of the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop. It operates at 120 volts, and for optimal performance and extended lifespan, it is recommended to use only water or demineralized water, avoiding essential oils or other additives. This ensures that the Steam Mop remains in top condition and performs effectively over time. The user-friendly design extends to its operation. The handheld steamer is lightweight and easy to use, reducing physical strain and making it accessible for all users. The various attachments and accessories included allow for targeted cleaning, whether dealing with tough kitchen grime, bathroom tiles, or delicate fabrics. In real-world use, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop excels at delivering a powerful and versatile cleaning performance. Users have praised its ability to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease, from sanitizing hard floors to refreshing carpets and upholstery. The high steam temperature and dual tank system work together to ensure that even the toughest dirt and stains are removed efficiently. The detachable handheld steamer is particularly appreciated for its versatility, allowing users to clean windows, mirrors, and even clothing. This all-in-one cleaning solution reduces the need for multiple cleaning devices, streamlining your cleaning routine and saving you time and effort. The Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop comes equipped with a comprehensive set of accessories designed to address various cleaning needs. Small and big brushes, ideal for scrubbing ovens, bathtubs, and tile. Angled nozzle, perfect for reaching tight spaces and cleaning kitchen stovetops. Grout brush, specifically designed to clean grout lines effectively. Scrape tool, excellent for removing baked-on food residue from cooktops and ovens. Squeegee, perfect for cleaning windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces. Carpet glider allows you to steam clean carpets and rugs. Microfiber cloths, highly absorbent and washable, ensuring a thorough clean without leaving streaks. Conclusion: the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly cleaning tool that offers an efficient solution for maintaining a spotless home. Its innovative design, dual tank system, and comprehensive set of accessories make it exceptionally convenient, while its chemical-free cleaning ensures a safe and healthy home environment. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt and grime or tackling tougher cleaning tasks, this Steam Mop has you covered. Ready to simplify your cleaning routine and achieve a deeper, chemical-free clean? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop can transform your home cleaning experience. By addressing the needs of modern households and providing a versatile cleaning solution, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning arsenal. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.